A mojo booster for women, a warning about red meat, and a celebrity takes health into her own hands. I'm Dr. Manny with a look back at health in 2015.
It's been in the works since 2009. Flibanserin is FDA approved to treat female sexual dysfunction. The drug was first studied to treat depression, and while it had little effect in that area, it did increase sexual desire in patients. In a major shift, the American Cancer Society recommends women at average risk for breast cancer get annual mammograms starting at age 45. That's 5 years later than guidelines from 2003. They also suggest women 55 and older scale back screenings to every other year. The group says mammograms can lead to false positives and unnecessary tests. Moms-to-be, put down the wine spritzer. An American Academy of Pediatrics study finds pregnant women should abstain from all alcohol. This report, published in the journal Pediatrics, says all forms of booze, including beer, wine, and liquor, pose a risk to the developing fetus. Studies published in the past said a small number of drinks during pregnancy could be safe. Ebola continued to make headlines this year. Dr. Ken Brantley wrote a book detailing what it was like to be diagnosed with the disease last year. Another survivor, Dr. Ian Crozer, spoke out about long-term effects, including hearing loss and seizures. And initial results from an Ebola vaccine trial in Guinea are looking hopeful. A measles outbreak at California's Disneyland sickened 147 people and triggered a vaccination debate. Many of the patients were not immunized, either for personal reasons or because they were too young. Legionnaire's disease, which is a type of pneumonia, broke out in several cities, including New York City, where 7 people died and dozens were sickened. The popular Mexican fast food chain Chipotle is forced to close dozens of restaurants in the Pacific Northwest because of an E. coli outbreak. The FDA orders food companies to phase out trans fats in the next 3 years to cut down on heart disease. The World Health Organization says hot dogs, bacon, cold cuts, and other processed meats raise the risk of colon, stomach, and other cancers, and red meat probably contributes as well. Americans got little benefit from last season's flu shot, which experts say was only about 19% effective. Former President Jimmy Carter announces he's battling brain cancer. It's an advanced melanoma type of skin cancer that spread to his liver and brain. Doctors removed a small tumor and started him on radiation therapy. Actress Angelina Jolie had her ovaries and fallopian tubes removed after doctors detected possible signs of cancer. She had a double mastectomy 2 years ago, also as a preventative measure. Olympian Bruce Jenner told the world he's transgender and has changed his name to Caitlyn. The reality star is just one of an estimated 700,000 people who say the gender on their birth certificate is not how they identify themselves.
For Fox News Health, I'm Dr. Manny wishing you a happy and safe new year.